Welcome to my channel, How to AI, where we discover powerful AI tools that can transform the way you work. In this video, I'll show you an AI tool that can save your time, increase productivity, and help you grow faster. So, today I'm talking about Boxshot AI tool. Let's get started. Boxshot AI Toolbox is a powerful plugin designed for Adobe Illustrator. It adds advanced features that Illustrator does not provide by default, especially for packaging and large design projects. It works with recent versions of Illustrator on both Windows and Mac OS, including the latest Apple Silicon chips, to improve workflow speed and precision. One of the biggest features is conical label distortion. Normally, Illustrator cannot perfectly wrap flat artwork around a cone shape like cups or bottles. But Boxshot AI Toolbox automatically calculates the correct distortion using Illustrator's built-in envelope mesh system. No external software required. Next is bulk renaming. This plugin allows you to rename multiple artboards, paths, and layers at once with automatic numbering, saving hours of manual work. You can also select objects by their name or font. This is extremely useful for managing complex design files with hundreds of elements. Whether you are a graphic designer, a packaging specialist, or part of a production team, this plugin eliminates repetitive tasks and reduces human error. In short, Boxshot AI Toolbox is a productivity booster that turns Illustrator into a smarter, more efficient environment for serious professional work. If you want to stay ahead with the latest AI tools, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.